guys, welcome to my channel. My name's Presley. Thank you so much for clicking on the video. I'm so happy to have you here because today I'm going to be talking about something I'm very passionate about, and that is fun pants. But sometimes if a pair of pants is too loud, maybe it has a crazy pattern or a bright color, they can be a little bit intimidating if you don't know how to style them. So today I'm taking 3 pairs of my favorite pants and styling them each in 3 different ways. So without any further ado, let's hop right into the video. The first pair of pants that I'm going to be styling are these beautiful pumpkin trousers. Mine happen to be in a paper bag style waist. So something that everyone probably has in their closet is a very basic white tank top. There's a fly, sorry. You could end the outfit here if you wanted to. It's very breezy and easy. But to me, I think that just a plain tank top can look a little bit unfinished. So I am going to dress this outfit up quite a bit just to add some dimension and uniqueness. So first, I'm going to reach for my denim jacket. I really love how these colors look next to each other and how the texture of the pants play off of the texture of the denim jacket. To finish the look, I added some of my favorite summer sandals. I really enjoy the simplicity of this look. I think it is very nice for summertime, and I think that it can be easily recreatable with the basics that you may have in your closet already. Another easy way to style any trousers that you have in a bold color is to pick a piece of outerwear with a pattern that complements the color of your pants. For me, I opted for this lovely button-up, but for your closet you could take any type of patterned blazer or maybe a kimono and that would work as well. Although these colors are not exact, I think it works nicely because the tones are in the same color family. To complete the sophisticated vibes of this outfit, I added some brown wedges and some gold jewelry. Another way that I love to style these pants is with a graphic tee. I have this botanical inspired t-shirt that I got from Target, and a great way to style any pants that you have in like a statement color is to pick a graphic t-shirt that the graphic brings out the color of the pants. So in my case, some of the florals on my shirt bring out the orangey tone in this pants, and it matches very nicely. This look can be easily recreated with whatever kind of graphic tee best suits your personality. It would work nicely with a band tee or just any funky t-shirt that you can find at the thrift store. I really enjoy this look. I think it's a fun way to tone down the businessy tone of the bottoms with the fun nature of the graphic tee. Swapping into our next pair of statement pants, I have this flowy, very bohemian inspired pair that I thrifted for about $5. I wanted to share this option because I feel like a lot of you probably have a similar silhouette at home. The first way that I'm going to be styling these is with this pink cami, but to give me a little bit more shape, I am going to do a little French tuck. The key to styling any pants like these is to really play up the accessories so that it doesn't end up looking too frumpy. I added back my favorite gold jewelry and threw my hair in a scrunchie that complements the top. Another tip is to wear a more elevated pair of shoes to class up the outfit. For my next outfit, I swapped my pink cami for this casual mustard crop top. A cropped silhouette is a great option to pair with pants like these. That way you don't lose your waist and it really balances out the bagginess of the pants. My next tip that I have for you guys, with any pair of patterned pant, a great way to style them is to pick any color from your pants and find a shirt in that same color. Since this outfit was looking a little plain, I did reach again for my denim jacket. I'm not somebody who likes the denim on denim trend, so anytime I'm wearing pants that aren't jeans, I think it's a great opportunity to wear some kind of denim jacket. Since this look is pretty casual, I'm going to pair it with some of my favorite summer sandals. This look is very comfortable and breezy and perfect for the summer heat. The next way that I'm going to be styling these pants is with this very simple, classic white v-neck. If you're new to the world of fun pants, then the easiest way to style them is just by choosing a white or black t-shirt. As you can see, this one is a very baggy and laid back. Because this outfit is so baggy, I'm going to once again play up the accessories. I have on my elevated pair of summer wedges, and I'm going to reach for a fun bag as well so that I don't look like I rolled out in my PJs. The next pair of pants that I'm going to be styling are some of my favorite in my closet. I find any excuse possible to wear these. This first outfit takes us back to the tip from the last outfit, and that is to pick a color from your pants and find a matching top. So I went with red because there is red in this rainbow detail on my pants. But instead of going for a solid color shirt, I opted for this fun patterned one. When styling statement pants, you could easily go with basics, but I think it's a fun way to mix prints. And a safe way to do it is by using common colors. So like I said, I incorporated red because my jeans have red. But the yellow in the pattern also picks up from the yellow in the rainbow. Something about this outfit just makes me really happy, and I think that the patterns really mix well. So don't shy away from having fun with patterns. Now this is a fun one, playing with pattern yet again. I have this awesome button-up that I thrifted. It has this very cool marble print all over the place. And you guys, I thrifted this for like $4 and it's Anthropology. Can you believe it? Oh, I'm so proud of this find. But anyways, getting back to this outfit, I was very inspired to play off of the rainbow in my pants and have it mirror in the rainbow detail on the marbles. I just love the way that this outfit came together. I think that it is so fun and it just shows my personality so well, and this has quickly become one of my new favorite outfits. For the finale of this video, we are going a little bit more simple and a little bit more chic. If pattern mixing is not your thing, a great option to pair with any kind of fun pair of jeans is an elevated white top. You could easily go with a simple white t-shirt for this, and I think that it would look great as well. But another option that I wanted to give you guys is going plain in color, but a little bit something different with the texture. I have this ruffle detail eyelet top. This is an outfit that I love if I'm going to any kind of event and I just want to wear something a little bit more unique that makes me stand out, and this is just one of my most me outfits. Thank you so much for watching this video. I really enjoyed filming this for you guys, and I hope that I encouraged you to stray from the average pair of jeans and really play with more statement, funky pants. And maybe the next time you see a crazy pair of pants at a thrift store or something, you'll have the confidence to reach for them, and now you know how to style them. If you enjoyed this video, it would mean a lot to me if you gave it a thumbs up. It was a lot of work for me to film and change my clothes and everything. And it'd be really cool if you wanted to subscribe as well. I make new videos and release them every Sunday. So until next time, thank you so much for watching. Bye!